Okay, gang, I'm going to talk to you about this blower, combustion blower I just changed out. I've got it in record time, almost overnight shipping from the manufacturer. I went and just plug and played it. Did not look at the instructions. What I want people to know is that you do need to do one thing before you just stick this thing in there. There on the back of the blower, right here, right here. There is a restrictor plate. It looks like it needs to be, it doesn't come apart. The manufacturer gives you 3 little pins like this. They break when they come apart. There is 3 brand new ones in the kit. You need to remove the old restrictor plate from your old blower and put it on the new blower, or it will continue to run and it will not function. That's it, boys and girls. This is a Heil DC9 high efficiency furnace, changing out the draft induction blower motor so you got heat. Don't forget to change out the restrictor plate.